welcome back to Dame Does It. Today we're going to be cleaning our Taurus 85 Ultra-Lite revolver. Our revolver is a 38 special, however this cleaning process is going to be applicable to all revolvers. When cleaning a revolver, we want to use a rope or cable style cleaning rod. Okay, because of the length, we're back beating it and then inserting the cleaning patch. Applying our cleaning product. Pulling it from breech to muzzle. Now the second step is going to be our brush. Once again, back beating it. Okay, we're now going to take some CLP, put it on our brush. I reviewed this CLP by Radco Lube. Again, breech to muzzle. We'll do that a few times. For our final step, we're back beating it again. Taking our dry patches. And pull it through. And we're going to keep doing that until we get clean patches. Okay, our patch is now coming out clean. Now that the bore's clean, we're going to move on to the cylinder and repeat the same three-step process. Taking our dry patch, just running it through all of them. Okay, the patches are coming out clean now. We're now putting a little CLP on our cleaning brush. And we're going to get both bases of the cylinder. As well as the ejector. Now we're going to take a microfiber cloth and go over those areas we just cleaned. Now we're going to clean the breech area. We're now going to take a microfiber cloth and go over those areas that we just cleaned. Before we move on to the exterior, we want to run a lubricated patch down the border for any rust or corrosion. Now onto the exterior, we're going to put some CLP and a microfiber cloth. Just hit everything. with a new dry microfiber cloth. Going to wipe off the excess. And that's going to do it for our revolver cleaning. Be sure to check out all my full length videos.